Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 266 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about finding strength in stillness, letting calm remind you that you are steady and supported. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice your body resting here. You don't need to push or force. Strength is already within you. Now, say to yourself, I am steady. I am strong in quiet ways. And my calm is my power. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this quiet strength with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.